Hello there, we are the Top of Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products idea so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
Polk Audio is one of the leading brands for InCeiling style speakers. One of their most famous models is Polk Audio RC80i. This RC80i is a pair of two-way speakers. They boast an 8-inch dynamic balance cone woofer and a 1-inch dome tweeter that provide a superbly balanced range of sound. This speaker can be included in your existing home theater system or used individually. The tweeter comes with a 15-degree swiveling capability so that you can point it to your listening position. Each speaker delivers 8 ohms of impedance, a frequency response of 50 to 20,000 Hz, and a sensitivity of 90 decibels. Also, these speakers are perfect for amplifiers running from 20 to 100 watts. This speaker comes with a rubber seal and heat and moisture-resistant coating that have a twofold benefit. It is very easy to install. Each speaker has a left and right channel to deliver stereo sound. Another great feature of this speaker is the robust build quality. All the materials are water-resistant and rust-resistant, a feature that ensures durability and makes them ideal for different interior environments. Overall, the Polk Audio RC80i is a suitable choice if you're looking to install a music system throughout your house, because it is ideally suitable to be used in poolsides, bathrooms, or kitchen areas. For those of you that already use Sonos devices, getting the Sonos InCeiling speakers makes even more sense. You can connect multiple Sonos speakers over Wi-Fi to create a home sound environment. These ceiling speakers are designed to work best with the Sonos amp. Using the Sonos amp, you can power up to 3 pairs of ceiling speakers. Plus, you can unlock custom EQ settings and make other adjustments when you connect speakers using the Sonos app. Also, the speaker is compatible with Dolby Atmos and Sonos TruePlay. And TruePlay finely tunes the speaker to produce optimal sound based on the acoustics of a room. It boasts a pivoting woofer and a tweeter. Moreover, the speaker grills are magnetic and fit snugly against the frame. Additionally, they come with a mounting system to ensure they are secure. The speaker provides 8 ohms of impedance, a frequency response of 44 to 20,000 Hz, a sensitivity of 89 decibels, and a maximum power handling of 130 watts. Overall, if you're a fan of Sonos and want to expand your system, then the Sonos InCeiling speakers will be the best choice for you. Polk Audio's RC60i two-way premium 6.5-inch round InCeiling speakers provide a perfect solution for improving sound quality in an entertainment room. As each speaker has its own stereo capabilities, single speaker placement is also an option for ultra-small spaces. The speakers deliver a 6.5-inch dynamic balance woofer paired with a 0.75-inch tweeter that works together to provide audio and music that is rich in both detail and depth. Their mineral-filled polymer cone delivers even sound distribution within a space. Also, these speakers feature a rubber seal to prevent moisture from accessing the interior of the speaker, allowing for installation in saunas, kitchens, bathrooms, and other moisture-prone spaces. Moreover, a white aluminum grill permits for coordinating with a variety of decors, although it can also be removed and painted to match the color of the walls or ceiling. So if you need a smaller-sized, moisture-resistant set of speakers, then this speaker will be an excellent purchase for you. If you are looking to install Bluetooth ceiling speakers in your home or living room, then the Litho audio ceiling speaker will be the best bet for you. This ceiling speaker is an all-in-one solution, carrying an inbuilt amplifier and Bluetooth receiver. This simplifies installation and daily use considerably, requiring no extra tech to operate. Other than a connection to mains power, the 6.5-inch subwoofer has plenty of warmth, and the 1.2-inch tweeter delivers crisp details. The speakers use a master and slave configuration, permitting up to 6 lead audio speakers to be linked to create a larger setup. Additionally, media can stream over the speakers via the Bluetooth 5.0 connection that is also compatible with Echo and Google Home devices. With a 30-meter range, incredible sound, and compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, this ceiling speaker is fantastic for kitchens, bedrooms, and even hotel room setups. Finally, if you or your partner have an issue with having speakers visible or you really want your room free of clutter, then this speaker could be a solution. The Micca two-way InCeiling in-wall speaker is suitable for any home theater setup. The MHC has a 9.4-inch cutout diameter, so it won't take up much space. You can thank the two-way design, which features a high excursion and 8-inch polypropylene Micca woofer and a 1-inch silk dome tweeter. Also, the woofer and tweeter integrate via a 6 decibels crossover network housed on the speaker. This speaker is sold in single units, allowing you to decide how many speakers you need for your space. It can also be installed quite simply and matches a variety of home decor. Moreover, this speaker has an impedance of 8 ohms, a frequency response of 40 to 20,000 Hz, and a sensitivity of 90 decibels, 1 watt over 1 meter, plus it can handle up to 100 watts of power. This speaker can also save you from buying a subwoofer. The integrated crossover network permits for balanced audio performance and makes it perfect for all occasions. It delivers super performance in a variety of different home entertainment situations. However, audiophiles who don't want to spend a fortune on InCeiling speakers should definitely consider it.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.